Greetings and welcome to another video. It's Sunday 12th of June 2022 and welcome to Limekiln Wood Local Nature Reserve. And if you want to know how I got here today, then this is the second video I've made this afternoon, and my first video I made today shows you how I found this place this afternoon. And today's plan is to explore Limekiln Wood Local Nature Reserve. Now, I was originally planning to make this video yesterday, but instead I got distracted into making the 5 videos I actually made yesterday. And it was good. I enjoyed being distracted yesterday. Those 5 videos were a lot of fun to make. I loved them. But today's another day, and I decided to come back to make this afternoon the video that I'm about to make. Now, as you can see here, there's a footpath to my left, as marked out by this red signpost here, the red circular trail, part of the Wrekin forest trails. And I know from a previous video that I made a few weeks ago that this footpath to my left takes me to Steerway, in just along this way. Now, I have made a previous video showing how Steerway connects to where I'm standing right now, and I'll try to put the title of that previous video as a pinned comment below this video I'm making today. But if my current plan for this afternoon goes the way I hope it does, there's a good chance I'm going to loop around and come back along that path anyway. In the meantime, if we have a look over here, as you can see, you've got little signposts here showing the route for the green and red circular trails for the Wrekin forest trails. And they connect, and well, they lead to a little footpath down that way, which I mentioned in my previous video today. So if you're interested in that, just watch my first video this afternoon and you'll see how that went. And as you can see right here, we've got a map for 4 separate nature trails. We've got a gold route, which is 3 kilometers length, a green route, which is 5 kilometers, a red route, which is 6 kilometers, and a black route, which is 2.5 kilometers, all of which you can see explained on that map. Now, that road in front of me, if I was to follow that road all the way to the end, it'll bring me out to Holyhead Road in Wellington. But we're not going that way today. And again, if we look to my left here, this is the entrance to the Wrekin Golf Club, established in 1905. So yeah, we're not going into the golf club today because I've got a different plan for today's video, and that plan brings us back up here. Now, from this point, the plan is to follow the green signpost, and if possible at the same time the black signpost, but mostly the green one, and we're going up this way. like I said, my original plan was to do this video yesterday, but I got distracted with the other videos I made instead, which were really fun videos to make. I enjoyed them. And as I said, this afternoon, today, is a good day to come back to this place and start exploring this path here. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be a good day. I imagine there's going to be a lot of walking going on, but we'll see for ourselves exactly as everything unfolds. Now, I've got a vague idea of how this route's gonna pan out. Part of me is hoping, would like it if this particular path loops around and I find myself in Steeraway, which I've featured in previous videos I've made since January. That's what I'd like to see happen. Whether or not it actually does remains to be seen. But yeah, let's carry on and see how things work out. Right, to my right, that's the Wrekin Golf Club house. I wonder if we've got a bar in there, and if so, do we let in non-members to have a beer or two? Be nice if they did. I mean, it's lovely weather for it. Mind you, knowing my luck, any beer they serve is going to be stupidly expensive, which is going to be annoying. Oh well, that's the Wrekin Golf Club house. Let's carry on this way. Probably should have paid more attention to that map at the start of the route and tried to remember it more. But hey, the real fun, is doing this because I don't know where I'm going and I don't know where it leads. That's the whole point of exploring. Okay, so the path splits. We've got a path to my right and a path to my left. I've got a signpost over here. Right. We've got the Hutchinson Way, and the green circular route goes off to the path at my right here, while the black circular route is the path that goes off to my left. Let's explore the black route. So let's go left. It's meant to be the shortest of the various routes available, and it'll be worth exploring. See how this pans out. Then I can come back in a few minutes and explore the green route in a separate video. I've got all the time in the world today. Let's carry on this way. Looks like there's a bit of a hurdle in front of me, a fallen tree blocking the path. That should probably need sorting out, to be honest, yeah. But at least there's a chance to walk around it. So, yeah. Notice how peaceful this place has become now we're so far away from the M54. I'm not sure this path I'm on will actually link me back to Steeraway. I don't think it will. But that said, I'm very interested to find out where it leads to anyway, where it goes. Does anyone who's currently watching this video know about this path? Have you yourselves come along here before and walked this path? If so, what do you think about it? According to the signpost I read at the start of the video, the black route, the black circular route I'm on at the moment, is the shortest of all the routes, 2.5 kilometers in length. It's really beautiful around here, to be honest with you. But I'm glad everywhere around here has been used as a nature reserve and nature trails for the public to enjoy. I wonder what life was like back in the day during the Industrial Revolution, when everywhere around here was quarries and part of heavy industry. Okay, here's a bit of a problem though. Do I go left or right? There's no signposts here that's saying which way is which. That's a nuisance. Well, I'm going to go left. Yeah, I'm going to go left. Hopefully, I'm supposed to go this way. We'll see. Let's see how this path turns out. A bit annoying there are no signposts in this section of a footpath. Oh, don't get me wrong, I like being here. I'm enjoying being here, it's good. Just be nice to know if I'm on the correct footpath. Here's all. So yeah. Well, all I know for sure is so far it seems like I've been walking in a big circle. Well, not a big circle, but a circle nonetheless. A lot of debris on the floor, a lot of stones, a lot of sticks. So always watch your footing, be careful where you place your feet. Okay, I've got a signpost in front of me. I can see a signpost a few yards in front of me. There we are, you can see it. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here we are. It looks like I'm on the right footpath after all. We've got the black circular trail, which is the path I'm following. And as you can see, again, there we are. And it points off in that direction. Also, we've got the Hutchinson Way, which, again, points in the same direction as the black circular trail, as well as pointing off that way. And we've got another route here, a yellow route, public footpath, pointing off in that direction. Alright, so we're not going to go that way. I'm not going to follow that sign. What I'm instead going to do is stick to the original plan and follow the black circular trail this way. And I hope it'll lead us back to where we started today's video, or at least very close to it. Right. Got an interesting looking path down to my right there. Looks interesting. I'm not going to explore that way today. Maybe another day if I remember. But that does look good. Now, stick to the plan and follow the black circular trail this direction here. Oh, we've got another signpost a few yards in front of me. Let's go have a closer look at it. As you can see, we're on the Hutchinson Way again, which is at the same time on the same path as the black circular trail. But yeah, we're following the black signpost, which is leading us around this way. Okay. Okay, so am I supposed to go that way? Or this way? I think this way, because I've just seen someone walking this way. Okay, so the black circular route joins up with the red circular route going to my right. Alright. Of course, it seems that the red circular route is that path that way. That's the red circular route. And the black circular route seems to connect that way as well. Somehow. Must have missed that direction, but that's okay. The point is, sticking to the black route, which takes us this way. Right then, let's see how this pans out. Okay, as you can see, the path I'm on continues in front of me straight ahead. And according to the signposts, the red circular route and the Hutchinson Way is where I want to go if I'm to continue along the path in front of me. Okay? But I'm not going to go that way, not today. Instead, we're sticking to the plan and following the black circular trail, which is to my right here and up this hill. Okay. I wish I paid more attention to that map at the start of this video, to be honest. And I also wish I could remember how to convert 2.5 kilometers into miles. I'm sure it's only 1 mile, I think. Maybe, because isn't 1 kilometer half a mile or something? I don't remember. I really do need to remember that info. In the meantime, let's carry on this path in front of me right now and see how it works. Another hurdle in the path, another fallen tree. That's okay, we can again walk around it. Where is this path taking me? Seriously. This path has become more of a mystery than I expected it would. Now to my left, you can't see very well, but down the hill to my left there's a couple of houses, maybe a farm, a small farm or something, I don't know. Where's this way taking me? Interesting. I'm not gonna lie, nothing's gone the way I thought it was. It's completely different to what I was expecting. I mean, it's good, it's really interesting. In one way, it's better than I expected because it's not gone as I expected. Yeah. Hang about, are we... How is that possible? What the hell? I know where we are. I know exactly where we are. I've been here before in previous videos. The Telford T50 50-mile trail is that way, which I've briefly talked about before. And the red circular route, the black circular route, and a section of the Telford T50 50-mile trail is back this way. I know where we are. Okay, so we're at Steeraway, or at least we're coming close to it. So yeah, let's carry on. So here we are. So we have arrived at Steeraway, which, to be honest, I originally kind of wanted to happen in the first place, but it's just happened differently to how I expected it to happen. Okay. Now the black and red circular routes point us over here. Now that road down there will take us back into Wellington if we were to follow it all the way along. And like I said, it's Steeraway down that way. But what we want to do is come this way. Yeah, now this has worked out differently than I expected. Yes, let's carry on. If you remember, I've been here before a few months ago, exploring this very path, and there's a section of a Telford T50 50-mile trail along here, which we'll get to in a moment. Let's have a look at it. If we look here to my right, following this path in that direction follows you down a section of the Telford T50 50-mile trail, which I've explored in a previous video a couple of months ago. And if we look over here, you'll see this signpost of the Telford T50 mile trail, which points you over here. As you can see, there's a footpath to my left here and a signpost which puts you on the Telford T50 50-mile trail, and that route goes off to our left. And we've explored that. We've explored this particular path in a previous video a few months ago. So yeah, so we're not going to go that way today. What we're instead going to do is follow the black and the red circular trail signposts coming this way. And yeah, this is going to be really good, man. I love the way this is panned out. I like how it's happened. Yeah, so let's carry on this way. So when I find that previous video that I made a couple of months ago, you'll recognise what I'm doing now from that previous video. And as you can see, the path is about to turn to our left here, where it's going to split into two different directions. Let's have a closer look. As you can see, the path in one way turns to my right, but at the same time it splits off to my left. Now if we were to go, as you see on this signpost, the Hutchinson Way is the path that takes me to my left here, and we're not going to go that way because I've already explored this footpath in a previous video. It was a good video, that was. It really was. I enjoyed that one. What I'm instead going to do is look at this signpost, and I'm going to pay attention to the black and red circular trail routes which take me to my right. And I happen to know from being here before, this path will take us back to where we started this video today. So yeah, it's good times, very, very good times indeed. Let's carry on this way. That's a gorgeous view in front of me. You can see the M54 motorway, obviously, and beyond that you can see parts of Wellington and some gorgeous, gorgeous fields and scenery beyond that. I love it. Honestly, that's a very, very beautiful sight right in front of me right now. Let's carry on this way. As you can see, signpost for the black and red circular routes pointing along the path in front of me. Right, what we want to do is follow the signposts for black and red circular routes pointing to my left here. And as you can see, we've got some steps to navigate, but there's a path next to those steps, so yeah, we want to go up this way. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Nice one. We're back where we started. We've got these steps here in front of me. And yeah, we're back at the entrance to the Wrekin Golf Club. And if we turn around, look over my shoulder, Limekiln Wood Local Nature Reserve. On that note, I'm going to finish this video right here. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I do apologise it's gone on for much longer than I expected, but thank you everyone for watching this video. I honestly appreciate it. Take care of yourselves, be safe, have a great Sunday, and I'll see you all soon in the next video. Take care and goodbye.